welcome back. Guys, how are you? Member club, everything okay? Do you feel fine? One more video of this amazing project. Today, part number 3. I think it's awesome part. Today we will prime the body with standardized primer. I decided to make it gray because the undercoat will be gray, and after that we will paint in purple. It's a purple day, yes. This purple by Zero Paint, part number ZP1369. Yes guys, this is the purple that we will use. It's supposed to be for the RWB Rotana, but we will not make it a matte look, we will make it shiny look, yes. But this is in the next part today. So as I say, we will go directly to paint with the primer. We will let the primer cure, we will sand a little bit, and we will do the base color. I hope that you enjoy. I will try to do my best to put it in the right angle that you will see and enjoy our spray, the layer. So for the people that don't know, I use a standardized primer and I use a airbrush, a 0.5 millimeter needle. It's very important for this primer. I think you will love it because it's create a wonderful thing. I also prepare some of the part. As you can see, I put it in a wooden stick and I can paint them from all direction. This is my tricks and my style. Also I use some toothpick to all parts and things like that. But you will see. Let's start guys, because you wait 1 week to see me walking, not talking. But I miss you, so I want to say thank you. And also for the new people that come, I see a few of you people that come this week. Thank you very much guys, thank you. I'm really happy, it's amazing. But now it's time to get to work. So directly to the workbench. Over there I will open everything, put a good music for you, and we can start. Thank you. Mike, wait for it, yes? Okay, so beautiful people, do you see how much it's easy to spray with a standardized primer? I think it's awesome. One shot primer and it looks fantastic. All we need to do now is use a 2000 or 3000. It's up to you and how much you want it smooth. I will use 2000 and start. Just I will not feel pressure at all. Just small sanding for all the body to see if I have any dust and things like that. Look how I work. I feel with my hand if it's good or not. Also 3000 in the same technique. I just smooth all the area. By the way, I wait around half hour that the primer will be cured. And this is all the meaning of primer, guys. It's cured very fast and you can see all the defects in the model. But as I say before, these alpha model kits, the Porsche, the new one of they make, it's really fantastic. And I don't have any defect on the model. I just sand it from the dust little bit, smooth all the area, feel with my finger if everything okay. I move on to more place and you can say a sound, you can hear the sound of the sanding, guys. This is the sound of the sanding. Awesome. For the people that sand too much and see the racing parts in high spot, you can all the time use again the primer, and also after that sanding, be careful, don't put pressure at all, just let the end flow with the sponge. This is the sponge by Tamiya 3000. It's fantastic. As you can see, I sand all the car, make it smooth. I think it's fantastic. Tell me when you're ready for the base color, because it's going to be awesome. I can paint the body with white primer, with standardized white primer, but I decided to make it in gray because I want the purple be a little bit darker from if you shoot the primer on white body, it's so if you shoot the color on white body, it's brighter from the undercoat. So you can play with this and decide if you want the car a little bit darker or a little bit brighter. It's up to you. Just verify that everything is okay and you achieve a smooth primer, smooth finish, and after that the paint will flow on the part and you will see it, guys. So let me organize everything, clean my airbrush and shoot the amazing base color, guys. You're going to enjoy. So we will come back in a couple of seconds. So yes guys, I will let you take a few minutes and see it. This is the color that I want. Anybody recognize what happened here? Maybe Mike, maybe Sneer, maybe the new people that join to the club and see what I'm doing here. Nobody. Nobody can answer me. I bet some of you know. As you can see, I paint in a Rotana purple by Zero Paint, and I see the paint and the color, it's not like I want. So I decide to change the color and not bother you how I made it. It's just paint with Rotana purple by Zero Paint, and after that I use a Tamiya. I bet that everybody have this color. Everybody. X16 purple by Tamiya. You not all the time need to use brand, magnificent brand like Zero Paint and think everything will be not good if you use a Tamiya paint or something like that. Even it's a semi-gloss and I really love it. This is look fantastic. So this is a good lesson for you guys, that you can use any color that you want and change it after that, and nobody tell you what to do. It's your model. I sprayed it Rotana purple, and I see this is not the paint, then the color that I use. I want to make it look like this over there. As you can see, I want it to look like that. And I know of another purple, just the Tamiya purple, and wow, just look, it's a semi-gloss already. This is good lesson for you guys. I think it's awesome to see you do it and change it every time the color that you want. You don't need do nothing. I not send the body, just spray on the Rotana Zero Paint. I spray the acrylic. It's a safe, you can do it, and you see I do it. If I do it, you can do it, and everybody can do it, guys. This is all the lesson for today. This is all the part that I want to show you. Sometimes I'm also get confused and want a different color, so I can do it. I don't think that I need to show you how I change the color. I just spray it on the Rotana purple, and this is the result, guys, and it's look fantastic and amazing. And on the next part you will see how much shine pop up to this amazing model, because we will do the clear coat and it will be awesome. Okay, so yes, I am happy with the color, and this is most important thing, to happy with your color, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye, take care, and let me know if some of you know that I changed the color before. On camera it's look the same on the workbench and things like that, but it's not a Zero Paint, guys, just Tamiya. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Blossom Model Channel.